This is why smart creators sell in December and the dumb ones take it off. Hey, real quick, if you're a coach, course creator, or service provider and you think December is slow and no one's going to buy info products right now, traditionally you're not wrong. You just need to have a different strategy. So let me show you how to actually crush sales in December while everyone else is just napping in their snuggies. So today we're going to go over how to make your offer a business expense. Yeah, we're weaponizing tax season. How I turn I'll wait till January into your secret close, and how to use end of year emotions to sell more without sounding like a scammy life coach. Sound good? All right, smash the like button like it's a leftover fruitcake and let's go. So, first one is tax write off. First up, the tax man is coming. Your dream client, they're staring at their books like, I need to get my expenses up before I donate half of my soul to the IRS. And you slide in like, hey, my course, coaching service, education, it's all education. It's business growth. It's a deductible. Boom. Now your $997 offer isn't just another expense, it's a smart business move. It's you versus the IRS. Who's it going to be? If you add this to your sales page, something like, yes, this is a business expense. Yes, your accountant will love you. You're going to get a lot of bonus points. And if you toss in a printable like PDF that says, give this to your tax lady, it's fun, it's functional, just like a blazer that you buy for $39 on sale. Write it off, baby. It's a write off. All right. Number two is future lock. Let's talk about it. So, what people say in December, I'll start in January. Right now, I just want to coast. The translation is, I want to feel productive, but also eat peppermint bark in bed, which is delicious. So, give them exactly that. You don't sell effort, you're selling the feeling of readiness. So, say something like, I now start in January, but lock in your spot now for your bonus and your prep work today. It's like joining a gym in December, but not actually using the membership until mid January. So position it as a January jumpstart and make the deadline super clear. Closes December 31st, won't reopen until 2026 when AI is coaching humans because you're funny and deadlines convert. Strategy number three is super deep. It is a legacy trigger. So December makes people reflect, which is great. They start asking themselves, like, what did they actually do that year? Where did the time go? Why do I have 6 half finished Google Docs and no funnel? So, again, this is your moment. Your offer, you frame it as an end of the year asset creator, not just more content. You're helping them package their genius into something that lasts. So, say something like, turn your chaos into a repeatable system, turn your knowledge into a sellable asset, turn your 2025 into leverage for 2026. You're not just teaching, you're immortalizing. You could call it something like the leverage lab or the content vault. You could call it something like Sassy Systems Bootcamp for all I care. Just frame it like a freaking legacy. So here's your December domination triangle. One, frame it as a tax write off. Two, pre sell the January future lock. And three, tap into legacy mode and sell long term value. If you want a free template on how to build a December close plan in under 30 minutes, comment below and I'll DM it to you. Stay warm, stay smart, and go make December your highest sales month ever. I'm Amanda, and I'll see you next time.